Rise and grind, back at you with another video with the Pull Up King. In this video we got a 2015 Dodge Durango SXT. This is a 2-wheel drive and we're doing wheel bearings on it. The rear wheel bearings. We got a play in the tire. Customer said it was grinding, so you can see right there. Got play like that, that's a bad wheel bearing. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do this. I got my press kit. 27342 is the part number for this box, this kit. We're gonna go ahead and knock it out. Let's get it. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and get our caliper off. That's two 18mm bolts holding that caliper on there with the bracket. Alright, don't let it hang. Alright, so I tapped the back of it, the back of the rotor, got it loose. Oh man, you're gonna need some more brake shoes, some emergency brakes. That's what that is, the e-brakes. Been scrubbing up against it, against the rotor. Look at all that play. So what we gotta do next, we gotta get this bolt out here. Boom, that one right there. Third one right there. Bottom. Alright, so I use an 18mm. Put another 18mm wrench on that bolt so it won't turn. We can get that out. Same thing for this one. Same for this one. Alright, we're gonna hit this ABS sensor, 10mm. Alright, we get that all apart, separate the axle. All this broke off in here. That's grinding. That's what you hear. So I'm using this monkey wrench. I think that's a 24mm. Just can't find the socket, but I got it loose. So that kept turning. It was spinning with it, so I had to hold it down. Put a T50 Torx bit in there. All right, so we got that out. Now we gotta separate. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave it hanging and I'm gonna work with it like that and put our kit together and get that hub out. So it don't look like we're gonna be able to use this kit. You can see it won't even go behind it's not wide enough to go behind there. So this is what I'm gonna do real quick and get this hub out. This middle one is the hub. And I'm gonna just press it out with one of these sockets here. Tap the end of it, push it out. So I said, fuck it, man. I went ahead and put it up here. Just braced it up here, man. And with the tapping it, hitting it with my hammer, knocked it straight out the bottom. As you can see, gotta get that race off, cut that off. Get the rest of this out. All right, we flip it over. We got to get the snap ring out. You can see it right there. When we get that out, we can knock the rest of the wheel bearing out. So what I'm doing here, I got a flat head, just getting right behind that snap ring, and I'm trying to pry it out from under there, like that. We're gonna do the other side, same way. All right, we got that off, and now we can knock the rest out. Show you how I'm gonna do that. All right, I'm taking this plate here, letter O. Gonna sit that in there. As you can see, it's flush and it won't fall out. So we're gonna tap that, put a socket or something over it, tap it, push it out. All right, you can see that little gap is gone. And I pop that right out. Just like that. All right, so we gotta get this race off. Okay, we gotta make a nice cut right here. Do it over here and chisel it out. Let's get to it. All right, see what we got. Think that might work. What I'm gonna do next, get right in between there and chisel that out, break it up. All right, we coming off. Just gonna move that, work it off. All right, quick tip, man. When you reinstall, before you reinstall that thing, that bearing, this magnet needs to be on the back side, like that. So you put it in, make sure that's facing to the back. The ABS sensor has to read. It won't be able to read on this side. All right. All right, man, what the hell? I'm gonna go ahead and put it in this way, tap it in with the hammer. So I'm gonna use that. I'm trying to hold that one on there steady and just tap it in. You can lube it up a little bit on the outer side, slide in a lot better. Ain't playing no games. Got that guy in there. I'm gonna go ahead and put that snap ring in there. So all I did, man, I put one in, sat it in, and got it. It's about right there, and then it will come up and come out. I just put a flathead right behind that end and pushed it back, and then it just fell right in. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and press that guy in just like that. All right, that's gonna be it. The thing turns smooth. Nice and smooth. And just like that, that's without a press kit. No machine press, no kit. I didn't even use that because, you know, couldn't put it over the hub, but got it done. Go ahead and jump on the the driver's side, and I'm gonna show you, just fly through that and show you the results. All right, we're gonna hit the hub out. And it's the same thing. And we out. I pushed it out like that, and it came out whole. Alright, we got the bearing inside. I wanted to point out, I didn't mention on the other side, when you put this in and you go to tap it in, that bottom race will start to come out. So what you want to do, normally you have something to, you know, block it, to hold it so it won't go down, but in this situation I don't have it. So what's going to happen is, when I tap it in, that race is going to fall back, and when I get it down, when I get the hub in place, I'll flip it over. I put a socket or something over this, so that race can go back down over the hub, and then that'll be sat in position. Now you can see that hub is all the way through, but the race pushed back, so we're gonna get something, tap that down and make it flush. Alright, just like that. Alright, man, job complete. And this is the wheel bearings on the rear without a press kit. I hope the video helped out, man. Until next time, pull up king.